Hi guys, it's Nick from Embrosa, and today I want to show you how to create a distribution template. Right now I'm in my market and I see the different campaigns right here. If I want to create a distribution template, I do that on the market level. So here in the properties on the left, we can see distributions. If I click on this, I see that there are no distributions found yet. So if I want to create one, I click here right on create template. I will type in the name, test template, and I will create it. So right now I made the test template. I can select to share it with other users in the market, so they will be able to modify this or not. So I will select yes, and I can add a target. For example, if I want to do French, I can select here Français, French, and then distribute it to the French market. It's important here, if you select it, to add the market. Only then it will work. Right now, I can save it, and I created the template. How to apply the template, I will show you in another video. Thank you for watching.